So please be in research mode, whatever you do. For example, when I got to know that I'm coming to Varanasi, I did a small homework. I spoke to my students who are from Varanasi. What is the best which is the best place to go and have good food, good place for shopping? That's the homework that we do. What do you have to do? In case there is a professor who's coming to teach, go to LinkedIn, understand who's the professor. Then there is a discussion mode. So what I'm trying to tell is, MBA is networking. Network is net worth. The more you network, the more your net worth is. But it's not unlike social media. We are all in the generation where, including me, we are only getting influenced by the people that you see on screen. Somebody spoke about Swiggy, Uber. We are only talking about the success story, but not the journey, how they've come. So please do research on them. How did they start? What were the difficulties that they faced? Then you do your homework. Then everyone cannot become Ambani, yeah? When I was talking to students, ma'am, I think a dropout is a better successful person. Not every dropout is successful, right? Not everyone can be like Mark Zuckerberg. So you please, and there's one more point that I was talking to students today. Startup, Bangalore is a startup hub. I think my panelist was talking about startups. But everyone are thinking about making great ideas, great innovation. See, we conduct a business plan competition every year. I tell my students, see, we are from Bangalore. What is the problem that Bangalore is facing? That should be your innovation. Now, we are all from Varanasi. I think I spoke to many students here. What is the problem that Varanasi is facing? That should be your startup. That should be your innovation. There are a lot of investors who are looking at, let us not give solutions to America or Canada or any other country or any other state or any other city. Where I belong, that's what Make in India is. That's what Modi ji is looking at. That's what Modi ji is dependent on, that our youth. Where we are, let us solve that particular problem. I think we'll make a better nation. So I only want to tell the students who are very smart, because not about the smartphones, because not about Google. I think you know what to do in life. How to do is what you need to do. Okay? When you know how to do, I think the problem is solved. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.